Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will review Amex Gold Card Jung Review Watch before using. Pause the video when I mention numbers so you can compare benefits to your spending pattern and make notes. I walk through rewards, annual fees, statement credits, and how to estimate break-even points for groceries and dining. Listen for tips to stack credits and avoid common pitfalls when applying or optimizing the card. In this video, I will review Amex Gold Card Jung Review Watch before using. Focus on how the 4X categories match your monthly budget and which merchants count as supermarkets or dining. I explain how to value membership rewards points and when transfers can beat simple statement redemptions. I also highlight how often statement credits post and when you should expect them so you don't overestimate short-term value. In this video, I will review Amex Gold Card Jung Review Watch before using. I guide you through calculating whether the annual fee is worth it based on your typical grocery and dining spend, including examples to plug in your numbers. I cover how to time purchases around credits and how to handle welcome offers responsibly. This helps you decide if the card fits your cash flow and travel reward goals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.